In every trial, in every triumph, remember the unwavering love shown through the passion of Christ. His sacrifice is a reminder that no matter what we face, we are never alone. Stay close to the Lord, not just in moments of joy, but even more so in times of sorrow and silence. Pray with a heart full of trust, even when words fail. In the quiet moments, pour your soul out to Him. For it is in the silence that God speaks the loudest, and it is in surrender that faith grows stronger. Let your faith be your anchor. Stay faithful, stay prayerful, stay with Christ. Today, take a moment to be still in God's presence. Pray in silence, reflect on His love, and renew your commitment to walk faithfully with Him, no matter what comes your way.